Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today Matt builds. I'm going to be continuing with the Apache helicopter. I'm on pack 3, stage 12, and I'll be putting some decals on the motor, which I'll show you. I did a bit more work on it last night. Rather confusing, these instructions when you've got the old and new version of the helicopter, so I've gone for version 1, and I hope you don't mind, Peter. I think it seems to look better that. So with that said, let's get these decals on. So as you can see, I've got these decals here ready. So I need to go into the instructions to see where they go, and also I did this last night as well. That light works, I tested it, but that one doesn't, unless that flashes. I'm not sure, I think it might flash. So we'll soon find out when we get to test it properly. So the decals, 4 of them are going on here, and 1 on here, and the other one on there. So let's get on with it. I'll take that one off first. Take that one off there. And take that one off there. And I'll probably do a bit more on this tonight on Terry's stream, if he has me on. So I'll do, just wait for this to loosen up a bit. And I found out today, on the 5th of July, we got a 700-mile wall of rain from Scotland all the way down south of rain. It's going to be really bad, some localised flooding. I'm not looking forward to that one bit. Okay, that's slack. Let's get this bugger on. Let's see whereabouts it goes here. So before it fully sets, let's get it on now like that. Get his cotton budders. That's the first one on. Get the second. These are really, really tiny. And the other one will be going there, and the other one over that side. Really warm today. I mean, we can't grumble. We've had a good summer up to now. But the problem is, when it rains, it just doesn't know when to stop. And I've got to get this off here. That's that one up. Get it level with the other. sure it's straight. There we go. And just gently dab it on like that. So what I'll do, I'll just pause the camera, get the other few on, and then I'll show you the result. Okay guys, decals there, and the decals there. I know it's a bit blurry, but they're on. One there, and there. And the engine, the first engine, that's the left engine. So now everything's done on that pack. So I'm going on stage 16. The left engine nacelle, version 1 for both version 1 and version 2. As I'm just doing version 1. Cut through this. Let's move it up there and just clear this decal paper out of the way. And this is what we've got. So what we need is 16A and 16B, which are in here. Which are these two parts here and this. So this will be joining on here. It does say glue it, but I'll do a test fit. And it's quite tough. Blimey, it is tough. That does not need glue. No way. It's solid. But I'll just test it just in case. That's not coming apart. Right, so the next thing we need is this mesh, which will be going on here. Like that, and that'll need gluing. And I don't know if this is metal or plastic. Feels like metal. So I need some Supings glue. So I better find the super glue that I'm going to use. Right, there it is. Let's hope it sticks on this Turner's glue. Like that, so that's not going to come out. Now we need this part here. Glue the assembly. There's only one way it can go in. It's got a notch there and a keel, like keel pattern there. Oh damn, bloody things come out. So it says to glue this on here. So I'm not using that glue. I'll use Tamiya glue from underneath. So that does not come out. Push it all the way in. That's it. Perfect. And now it's telling us to fit this. It just says do not glue, and there's only one way it can go on. Need to get the holes right. Just goes to show, doesn't it? Nothing ever works right. It's quite a tough fit. Yeah, that click into place. So that's on. Now we need 16L, which is this, and 16H. Let's see what 16H is. Part 2. (16H), which I think is this one. Yeah, it's this one. And this will be going in the small hole. Just here. Be careful, don't break it. They are tough to get in, and I'm frightened of forcing it. That's it, that's gone in. And it says glue. Put a double glue outside like that. So that is in place. Now we need the rear kits and probably more decals. Right. And $16K, which is that one, and 16J, which is that one. So I'll get these cut off the sprues. Enough. enough. Attach that onto here. Like so. Don't need glue. And we glue 16K in the back and 16J here. Just like the last time on the model, well, the last rockets. What we've got to glue there. Get the tweezers, I think. I've lost it then. This is going to go flying off in directions if I'm not careful. Keep coming off the tweezers. Try again. Only thing with small parts like this, got it in. Right, so that's in there. I'm going to add a bit more glue on that, so it don't come out. And I'll get the next one in there. This one should be a doddle. Well, I thought it would be. I'm not sure if I can put it the wrong way around. It should be that way. Okay, should be that way now. Tweezers. Other way. Okay, that's them all. Now we do the same for the other side. I'll do this side first. Well, that one's on, get the other one. worst one of the lot. And we've probably still got loads more of these to do. Right. And that's that one on. Excellent. Right. So now then, I'm gonna have to pause the camera again while I get the decals on the rockets. So bear with me a moment. Alright guys, that's the rockets done. Look quite good. But these ones are easier than the missiles. So all I've got to do now is just put them to one side and get this out, because there's more decals to go on this. So it's more like a decal build. Right, I've just got plenty of time here, so I'll let you watch. You can see how I do this. You've probably already seen it. Make sure I've got this one the right way round. Knowing me, I'll probably get it wrong. Let's go up to the beginning. Right, so 16C, 16F. So I need make the size of a container and the one, so it's this part here I need. No, sorry, here. So I'll just cut this off. Just be careful I don't go through the decals themselves. Just be careful the way I cut this. So I need these off, them there. So I'll deal with one at a time first. So I need these two. I'll cut that off, first, because it's got to go either side of this lid, as you know. I mean, I know you've all seen this being done, but with me it's the first time. I'll just stick that in the water. I just use normal cold water, to be honest with you. And it doesn't take long. Come off. Even though I shouldn't use my fingers, but I've got away with it so far. Right. So what I'll do, straighten it up. Perfect. May not be completely centralized. And that's the first one on. There's one part I am completely dreading in pack 3. It's what Mark's Mods said to me last night on live stream. He says, Dave Mac, go to step 18. And when I saw all that lot for the radar, I thought, WTF. Never seen so many tiny parts. Still, I'll get it done. I just like a challenge. Show that straight. Yeah. And if you can hear all that shouting in the background, there's a nursery just behind me, as well as a little nursery. Right, so that's that part done. Next part, this. So what I'll do, I'll put this on, which I don't want to really, but it says put it on for now. And I need let's see, these parts here, decals here. Wait. Cut through the centre of these. So that's the aft end there, so I'll do the forward one first. So I need to put this one on first. Really enjoying this. It's very therapeutic doing decals. Very therapeutic. Right, here we go. Not touching that decal there. No. Short straight. That one on there. Get this decal. And that'll be going underneath. This. And it's floating away. spray a little bit, just soak up this water. And that's that one on the forward end. Now I get the back end done. So I'll need one of these silver ones. Make sure it's loose, perfect, and it goes on top here at the bottom, like so. So. Like that. Then we need this part here. That'll be going in the right bottom left hand corner. Right at the bottom on the left hand side, on the right hand side, in the middle. But don't worry, that's my shed door closing because of the wind. These choices. Well, that'll do. That's where I want it. At least it's straight, that's the main thing. There, guys. And the last one for this is aft end. You see, I can't see what I'm doing on the camera because I've got the instructions right in front of me. So what I'll do, once I've done this, I'll leave it for today, and, well, for now, because I'll probably be continuing on with it tonight on Terry's channel. Providing I get on there, it is room. And there it is. That's stage 16 completed. So which I'll just show you there. And round the other side. and on the top. So that's that case done. Done the rockets. Here. They're done. And on the engine, as you can see there, just there and there. Well guys, I must admit I enjoyed that. I thought I was going to dread these decals, but they're not that bad. The missiles, I'm not doing. Peter doesn't want them on the missiles, so I'm not going to bother. So let's have a look at stage 17. Is assembling the 4th rotor blade. So that's not too bad. And stage 18. Assembling the radar. Oh God. I'm not looking forward to that. Blimey. Not a chance am I looking forward to that. So it's the rotor blade in stage 17. So that's not too bad. So I'll just come out of that now. So that's done. There's probably more. There's probably another one to come, which you've just seen. More decals on one of these. It's slow going. It's a very slow process, but I don't care. Not rushing it. You can't rush something like this, because if you rush it, mistakes are made, and I do not want to make any mistakes. You see, like with the Titanic, I knew what to expect, because as you all know, I built that one myself, and so yeah. So I'm going to get going, guys. I'm hungry. Go and get me dinner. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for future videos. So if you're going to watch tonight, guys, you're carrying on with this on the Little Histories channel. You all stay safe, take care. I'll see you later. Bye for now.